Your car windshield can quickly get covered with bug splatter while driving. Dried bugs can block your view and make the glass look dirty. Here's how to remove bugs from your windshield safely and easily. Start by parking your car in a shaded area. Gather a bucket of water and basic cleaning supplies. A microfiber cloth, sponge, and spray bottle will work well. Take a closer look at the bug stains on the glass. Fill your bucket with warm water. Add a few drops of car-safe soap to the water. Mix the solution gently with your sponge. Splash some water onto the windshield first. This helps soften the dried bug residue. Use the sponge to gently wipe the glass surface. You'll notice the bug stains starting to loosen. For stubborn spots, spray some glass cleaner. Let the cleaner sit on the bug stains for a few seconds. Now wipe the windshield with a microfiber cloth. Most of the bug residue should come off easily. Use a soft bug sponge for tougher splatters. Wipe the windshield using gentle circular motions. Rinse your sponge regularly in clean water. Wipe the glass again to remove any remaining spots. You should start seeing a clearer windshield. You can also use windshield washer fluid if needed. Turn on the wipers briefly to spread the fluid. The wipers will help remove loosened debris. Don't forget to clean the edges of the windshield. Also wipe the lower area near the hood. Remove any small bug marks that remain. A vinegar and water mix can help with stubborn stains. Spray the solution lightly on the glass. Let it sit for a few seconds. Then wipe the surface again with a cloth. Check the windshield in sunlight for streaks. Clean any small spots you might have missed. Use a dry microfiber cloth for the final polish. Now the windshield should look shiny and clear. Inspect the glass from different angles. You'll notice the reflection looks much cleaner. Put your cleaning tools back into the bucket. Step back and check your finished work. Cleaning bugs quickly prevents them from sticking hard. Regular cleaning keeps your windshield clear. This also improves driving visibility and safety. Store your cleaning supplies for next time. Your car now looks much cleaner. A clear windshield makes driving more comfortable. Always keep your windshield clean for safe driving. And that's how you remove bugs from your car windshield easily.